Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares, 'cause I can't give it all.
Okay, y'all, so yeah, he just gave me everything that I need for my new car. I will definitely go see. I'll let you guys know what it looked like. It's a Chevy Cruze, I think. Yeah, it's a Cruze. Yeah, it was a whole process. Like, this whole process was like not long, like the insurance and all that stuff. Really got everything. I'm all legal. Can't wait to show y'all my new car, and I'm gonna have a car tour on here also. Hey guys, it's the morning. I didn't get a chance to record yesterday because right after I got the car, I had to go to work. I'm showing y'all the car right now real quick because I have to go to work right now. Wow! This music I like. Yes ma'am, yes ma'am. Like, when I tell y'all, like, I am like super grateful. I am super grateful. I wouldn't have this car without God. I wouldn't have this car without my sister. I'm just so grateful. And I still want to thank both of them, like real bad. I'll see you guys probably maybe when I get off work. Yeah, it's me, your girl Bree. It's hours later after my shift, and so I'm here. I was going to talk to y'all during my break, but you know, I was eating and I was rushing and all that stuff. So like, yeah, the car still runs good. Like, I wouldn't understand if it wouldn't, but I'm having fun with the car. I really like it. So I'm going to probably go car shopping probably sometime this week. So I definitely let you guys stay tuned of what I'm going to do. And yeah. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all. Sorry, I didn't have no audio. I was too mad. But let's just say, like, I just spent the Thanksgiving with my two sisters. One's Demetria, the other one's my sister Brittany. We had a ball. It had some bomb food. And yeah, this is everything that we ate. And let's get to the next clip.
Brand new. He's acting like they running, they really ran through. I spent that 500 before I ever trapped you. They thought I was gonna fall off, I hate to bring you bad news. But so many racks, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. She make you pay, rich, get you both. Gave a Bentley to valet and let that try to bump. Let me pop off, leave the club, sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks out. Heard from the south, he trying to see me knock his socks off. Told him, meet me at the top, think they got lost. Say she got a problem, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Left into the paint, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a problem, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bitch, your man know if you don't, what's happening? Smoking on that gas, doing biggest coloration. When your diamonds hit like this, you don't never see the shade. Got the key to my city, they gave me a holiday. All kind of shit. Made me pull my diamond tester out. Counterfeit. Better keep my name up out of mouth. They been trying. If it's beef, then let me know. Baby, why you hiding it? And I heard about you. Pigs like you. We all know that cat is giving fish. When I seen that egg play, that nigga know what time it is. My ex crazy about me. Better be ready to die. I done it all. Feel like shot it low. Left into the paint. Not a joke. Say she got a problem, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Left into the paint, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a problem, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bitch, your man know if you don't, what's happening?
fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. It's blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Win Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread. I still got powerhouses coming through on mopeds. I'ma still run it, check up like I got 4 legs. Give me any drug, I'ma get it off. I'ma stop on these fuck niggas every time they piss notes. Bitch, I'm tryna score, I ain't got no time to punt. I'm filling up my slap wood with Obama rights. Bitch throw me the alley hoop, yeah. Bitch threw me the alley hoop, I fucked around and dumped. Got the small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Win Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread.
This real ice, I don't need a flash for this shit. For this cash, got a bad bitch that'll do a trick. Designer down, I ain't take the tag off this shit. They ask me why, cause bitch, I paid a bag for this shit. I'm that type of nigga, get a rap check, go buy a brick. I'm the type of nigga, catch you hatin', I'ma slide bitch. You with this shit?
3 weeks later.
Hey y'all, sorry it's been like a few days after my last clip and whatever. What I'm doing is just closing out this vlog so I can get started for the next video. My hair looks damn. Yo, please like, comment, subscribe to make sure you become a bag today, and I will see you guys in the next video.